A lot of people are struggling to understand Professor Jonathan Moyo's position regarding ZANU PF, and I have a video which I want you to watch, and that video is going to assist you. Let us get into the video, then we get to the conclusion. From this video, Professor Jonathan Moyo clearly says Takazvarwa takangodaro hatiregeri kuita kaunhu keZANU PF, and that is key. Whenever you are dealing with people like Professor Jonathan Moyo, you have to understand that they lived through corruption. They lived through some shenanigans, and they lived through looting. They were together. They were doing everything together. Chakaipira ZANU PF kana vachidya havadyi vega. They eat together. It's just that kune anozodya zvakawanda, but they eat together so that mangwana hautaurise, so that mangwana you not point fingers at others. So you see kuti they will never reform. They will never want a free and fair Zimbabwe. That is the reason why they wanted to capture CCC, because they wanted to say if they capture CCC and it gets into power, they won't be in danger, because they could actually defend their deeds and the advocates of forgiveness. But the reason why they're getting back to ZANU PF is to try and make sure that they don't allow Notsumisa to take over, because they want to protect what they looted, want to protect themselves. That is so. I don't know. In the comment section, please, let's talk.